Good morning, 360 booth operators. Now that I think about it, it might not be morning when you're watching this video, but if you are, good morning, good afternoon, and well, good evening. This is my very first vlog. It is, what time is it right now? It is 8 in the morning right now. I have a 5-hour event. That's right, it's my very first 5-hour event, and I'm doing it solo. This is gonna be for the district of San Bernardino. I'm driving my butt all the way to Palm Springs. Let's go have some fun, baby.
A lot of you guys know by now that I stopped bringing my external monitor to events. I also removed it from my website as part of the bundle that I include in my bookings. And the reason I did that is, one, because it wasn't communicating properly with TouchPix. It would often drop the connection. And also, it saves me a lot of time not bringing on that tripod and that TV. And when I get to my event, I don't have to look for a particular outlet, or I don't need to use my actual anchor. I can use my anchor for my laser lights. Now, the reason I'm sharing this with you guys is because right now I'm on my way to an event out in Palm Springs for the school district, and I am bringing my external monitor because they booked several months back, and that was part of the agreement. So I have to honor what I offered during the time of the transaction. So I'm looking forward to see how it's going to function. And also, I do know that it's always nice to have it as a presentation, but as operators in a business, I can honestly tell you these last few events of me not taking my external monitor have saved me a bunch of time, from the setting up to the takedown to the up and down, and making sure that my app was on the latest software, and just all that stuff that entails setting up an external monitor. You guys are going to know soon as you expand your production and you start adding fog machines, more laser lights, more tripods. You want to find a way to have that production as cool as possible, but also really optimize that production. All right, we've arrived. Let's go, baby. All right, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very good. So here we are. I'm about to look for Sarah Bell, the coordinator. All right, so I'm inside the actual venue. This is gonna be my setup area right here. I got power outlets right over there. They just asked that I send over my insurance for the cold sparkle, so I sent that over just now. This is why, guys, it's so important to have insurance. I'm gonna walk over to my van and then start loading, unloading, and start getting set up and watch this thing come alive. Let's go, baby. All right, guys, just want to show off my brand new heavy duty wagon. I have the electronic box in here, my two cold sparkle machines, as well as me, I'm Irish all of a sudden. My tripod's in there, bubble gun. I could probably fit more stuff in here. Go ahead and throw this backpack on here as well. Dude, what a freaking game changer, man. Let's go. Look at the freaking heavy duty wheels on this bad boy. So, big bummer, the cold sparks are no-go. You are going to end up at venues that require a $2 million liability insurance. The insurance that I have currently active only covers $1 million. So it's a no-go for the cold sparks. You live and you learn. I hope you guys take lots of value from this video I'm doing today. This is my first vlog, real vlog. I need a cameraman or a camera girl for sure. Right, so I'm trying to determine whether I want to put the booth here and have this incredible backdrop and run my extension cord from there all the way here, or set up right here in the middle. Let me go ahead and ask. Gus, question for you, sir. So I love how spacious this is, but I love that backdrop.
Right, okay.
Can we utilize this area, or is it belong to that?
It's too close to the vendor setup.
Yeah.
If they weren't there, absolutely.
Okay. And this stuff we cannot relocate. Like
No.
a few yards this way, right? Yeah, it looks pretty stable. Like,
Yeah.
Pretty solid. Man, I love it. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Young lady on the opposite end. Yeah, she put those shoes inside. Now, when I say action, it's going to record for 6 seconds, okay? Make eye contact with the phone when I say action. Go ahead and flex your money. All right, let's count you guys in. All right, here we go. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, action. Here you go, guys. Keep it rocking for 6 seconds. Keep that energy up. 3, 2, 1.
All right, Mr. J, you got this.
Mitosis, I'm talking about the cell cycle. Before cells can divide, they spend most of their time.
All right, guys, so I want to show you the bubble machine in action. As you guys can see right here, it's doing its thing. Cool thing about this bubble machine, it's been running for about 2 hours and hasn't really taken much battery at all. So we can have this running, I believe, just by looking at it and kind of gauging it. I think you can get at least 6 hours going. So what I did is I brought a bubble container with 64 fluid ounces, and I'm like halfway through it. Today I'm doing a 5-hour event, so it's been cool. There's no more people right now. They're actually inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this off for right now. All right. And usually I dim my lights for like these longer events. I'm dimming my lights right now. My iPad right here.
No, so I asked her.
iPad's not working that great. I've been airdropping things from my phone, so I'm just gonna minimize the lighting, like I said. Everything else has been so fun, so cool. I'm loving it. Let's see how my U200 light is doing. I got about two left. Yeah, that should hold me up. See you guys later. Hi there. Hey guys, so it's a wrap. That wagon, man, lifesaver, time saver. I'm loving that new wagon, that's for sure. It's my new best friend. You guys already know I like calling my equipment my homies because they got my back, you know, help me hold down the business. Now I am racing back to my place to unload and then return this van, so I'm on a tight schedule. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. What's up, guys? I hope you enjoy this type of content. You know, let me know. I would really love your feedback. So if you like this style of video, this vlog type of content, this type of creation, let me know in the description box below. I meant to say comment box below. Hit me up with a thumbs up if you're digging it. Because if you guys get value out of this, then I'll make more of an effort to put these type of videos together, because it takes a lot of time, it takes effort, it takes editing. I need to be holding the phone with one hand and it just takes a lot of work. But if it really helps you guys out in a sense, let me know in the comment box below. Everything that I showed you in this video, all the items, I'm going to put them in the description box below so you guys can get to those items much faster if you feel you need them for your 360 booth production. Thank you for support. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and good luck with your next event, baby. Let's go.